Hey folks, Green Stuff Gav here. We're back with an early unboxing from WePrint Miniatures. Now, as noted in previous videos, I've been doing that long that there's a code. You can use the code Green Stuff Gav, or you can click the link below, and that then generates traffic to WePrint Miniatures, and occasionally we get a reward. So this time we've actually received a box of miniatures. Cheaper than normal. So yeah, we're going to open it up, see what we've got, and thanks for pushing all the buttons. Hopefully, you continue to do so. We can see what cool minis we get. Now, tea bag. I imagine this is going to be the same as the normal ones. The WePrint Miniatures card. Because effectively I just asked for a random box rather than getting specific models. They look like 25mm bases. They are. So they've been 3D printing their own bases, which is nice. They got this plastic. You can see the slight ridges there. Yeah, they've been 3D printing their own bases. So that's a another bonus for anyone who wants to get some cheap bases. That I tend to use Hobby Heaven, but yeah. Anyway, let's see what we've got. I think we've got 4 in this box. We have. So they've started printing in a new resin, which is a bit darker colour, but we can see there that's quite sturdy. Bit of flex there. Little child barbarian. You can see all the way into the mouth there where the teeth are. That's really impressive printing. The 3D printing couldn't, like resin casting and metal casting, it'd be an absolute pain. Can we see the wood effect on the toy sword? That's a really cool mini. I like that one. We've got it's a dude with a beer keg or cider keg on his belt, pouring into a cup. So if we look, it's actually a part of a bionic arm. So this must be your cyberpunk beer barman. Again, slight support there. Really nice detail, really crisp. Look at these handles on that keg. Again, we can see he's pouring himself out a pint. That's really cool. We've got Ultraman, Shin Ultraman. It's a Japanese Power Rangers-esque show where guys in big suits, rubber suits, fight it out. I think Shin Ultraman is the technical term, but no doubt someone will correct me. Quite a simple sculpt, but we see we've got the leg muscles, all the folds in the cloth is really nice. Another really nice cast. And finally, some sci-fi trooper with shotgun. I mean, you could get away with sort of fairly more modern-esque, but with all this body armor, I imagine it's going to be sci-fi. But again, look at all this detail on the pack and on the helm, on the goggles. Yeah, that's really, really cool. Really nice mini. But yeah, 4 really, really nice minis. And as usual, like, thanks for watching and thanks for clicking the buttons below. It's really good if you continue to do so. Hopefully we can see some more freebies. But all in all, thanks for watching and have fun.